A Time to Resources Retrieval Practice Plus workbook for AQA Applied General Business, Unit 1 Financial Planning and Analysis. This workbook is A4 and spiral bound for ease of use, making it very student friendly. With a clear focus on retrieval practice, other features include elaborative interrogation, links and quantitative skills, helping to make sure that your students have all of the knowledge necessary for exam success. Clearly follows the AQA Applied Business Unit 1 specification. Key terms to check knowledge of all the terminology. Identify questions to match the specification. Elaborative interrogation by asking students to put knowledge in context or rank the importance of points. Asking how and why to encourage a greater depth in students' understanding and help them start to analyse points. Considering the appropriateness of content in different contexts. For example, the appropriate sources of finance for a startup compared to an established enterprise. Retrieval of formula and practice calculations, all supported with an answer guide to encourage students to self-assess, peer assess, or to involve parents and guardians. Also available is the highly popular Unit 1 revision guide from Time 2 Resources, all written by experienced examiners and authors Helen and Carlo.